So good morning. So last class we see about how to construct the hexagon and how to place the base in different types of conditions to place the hexagon prism. Now we have to move for the problems. Okay. So first you have to know that what is the given data for this problem. Okay. So already I have mentioned in previous class or previous lecture series. Okay. So what is my data is here is 30 mm and 80 mm height. Okay. And also two parallel perpendicular to HP and axis perpendicular to VP. Okay, so that this condition, the hexagon will be there in a above XY line. So this is my vertical plane, that is VP. This is my horizontal plane. Okay, that is it. Our XY is called as a reference plane. Okay, so here you have to mention the data here. That is a angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Okay, so according to this condition, you have to construct the hexagon. Okay, so what is the side value of this hexagon is like 30 mm. Okay, is 30 mm. Okay. So, and also you give the name. Okay. So I give a two different name here. So I just change the colors. It's like that. So A and B. So C, D, E, and F. Okay. So these are my points can be I have located, and also similar we have to make the points with the same name but different variable or numbers you can use. Okay. So I have used the numbers here. So similar I start one here, two, then three, four, five, and 6. Okay, these are numbers is given. Okay, so what is the next step? You have to consider the that is the height of the prism. Okay, so if you, I told you know, if you have a prism, it having look like always in rectangular shape. Okay, so you have to consider the rectangular shape. Okay, so what is a rectangular shape? You know only the height value. So first you have to project. Why? Because the only height value is mentioned, but we don't know what about the breadth value. Okay, only the breadth and height values data is given, you consider the prism for this problem. Okay, but we have only the height but not a prism. What I have to do means you have to project the each corners. So for example, I have to project the what is the next step is called as I close this. uh, yes, I have to project the A and 5, B and E and C and D. Okay, or else you can take number wise also 1, 6, 2, 5 and 3, 4. Okay, why I have to give the different name and different different numbers and different variable? Why I have to give it means just I will completely top view of the given soil. Okay, so first I have to what I have to do means I have to project the line. Okay, this is called as the imaginary line. Okay, it's very light thin and is a very we're not looking at a very dark man, not a dark man. It's a very light man. Okay, after that you have to construct. Okay, so what is the next step you have to means you have to calculate the breadth and height. Okay, breadth value of the rectangle. So this is my there is a starting on the A5. Yeah, that is the A, F, and C, D. That is your A, F is a starting, I call it as, and CD is a ending. CD is starting. F is a ending. Okay, likewise, you have to change. After that, you have to construct the hexagon. Okay, that is a rectangular box. Okay, so now we have to proceed. We give the name for the this diagram. Okay, so how could you give the name for that? So this A, B, C, D is represented as the lower portions, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the upper side of the hexagon. So that is two shape can be overlap on this case. So that you have to mention as here I have to mention dash for you because the differentiation only. So I give a dash for each points, each corners. Okay, what I have to do is here 1 dash and 6 dash. What about here 2 dash and 5 dash? Okay. What about here? Sorry, 2 dash and 5 dash. And here 3 dash and 4 dash. 3 dash and 4 dash. And what about this case? In the above case is like A and F. A, F. So don't mention here a dash. Okay. So here B and E. Okay. Here C and D. That's it. So this is represented as the bottom side of the hexagon. This is represented as the top side of the hexagon. So what is the height value of the hexagon is? The height value is mentioned like 80 mm. So this is my 80 mm. That's it. Okay, this is the completion of the this diagram. So this is, they call it as front view. This is called it as top view. Okay, so the primary step is you have to mention the points and also dash. Okay, so if you take as a dash in terms in only for front view, the top you don't use dash. I have here, I have to erase the dash here now. So what is the dash is called as here. So dash I have to remove this here. Okay, yes, this is my case for the entire problem. Thank you.